following day, so they've been up at least 12 hours or something like that. And then I bought two, one for me and one for Rosie. I parked up outside the venue, saw Pete ride off on a BMX. Me, Rosie and Ben Wilson, the drummer, went into this office. And as we were in there, John and Carl walking from the lift, we're thinking, okay, what are they doing here? Because it's a solo Pete show. Then we kind of put two and two together. It's like, this ain't a solo Pete show, is it? We went into the venue, he starts playing a couple of songs on his own, and then he starts doing, no, what Kate did, is it?
Oh yeah, what Katie did.
So he starts playing that, and obviously that's got Carl in it, and he says something like, oh, if only Carl was here to sing this bit. He says that, Carl walks out, and everyone's like, oh, fuck. We're in this tiny little venue, and it's Pete and Carl, and then it's more than just that. All the libs were there other than Gary. Libertine songs and stuff, acoustically, them three to just like a really small venue. It's unbelievable. Place next to Dreamland. Yeah. With all the windows, used to be the bracket, that was the detailed bar, man.
Come on, if I film.
No, come on, let's go.
What was that?
Right, mate, Ben. Nice to meet you, pal. Right, mate.
We're doing that tour next year. Oh, there's Adam. This is Matt from the Ovines. He's doing like a documentary.
Hi, mate, Ben. Nice to meet you.
Which band are you from?
I'm doing the filming for the Ovines. Like I said. Yeah. Doing the documentary. Yeah.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, I popped down to the studio today and had a little film and that.
Fantastic.
Yeah, man, that's class.
We'll leave him here.
Yeah, just got loads of music stuff.
Oh, it looks so different.
Sorry. Sorry, mate.
Right, bud. This is like a private bar.
No, it's a residence bar, but we're open last night, just not tonight because it wasn't really.
Sorry.
No,
you're right.
Carl was over with me last night and his line of the night, anyone that looked like they were a vegan, he'd say, do you want a pickled egg?
So anyone with any facial hair, basically, yeah.
It's in Shudo, but I'll show you some sure.
Have you still got the shrine?
Yeah, it's taken apart at the moment. I've done a break dancing on.
I think you used to be
Yeah, this room was around my last night, up and downstairs.
So when it's busy, you open both rooms?
Oh, we can open both rooms like I think the first 3 months, but tonight being Sunday, it was just chilled.
Yeah,
like the first 3 nights was around.
Sorry.
I can't believe it's finally open, man. I can't believe it.
It's really good. There's still a few bits to do.
I didn't know it was going to be a pub, like just open to party. I didn't know that.
Yes, downstairs is the main sort of it's meant to be a residence bar, but while the door's not open, it's just two bars really.
Yeah, nice.
Essentially, they were comfortable.
He said, well, I don't know where I read it, but he said it could be open for like hiring. Yeah, we're recording it. Hiring. Yeah, cool. You heard that? Yeah, that's right. Oh, look at that.
That's so good. I think it looks like you pissed it all up the bar.
Yeah, it doesn't happen with
What was that old game show that had these shapes on it? Blockbusters or something?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. This is amazing, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
Part of the shrine's in now.
It's the making of the drum kit shrine, is it? How's it compared to Tipbook Studios?
Yeah, mine's more tip than anything.
That's so
Changing the lights. This is Wonderwall, Jay.
It's got to be SSL, man, because of the
Wonderwall, apparently.
Yeah, it's a diffusion.
That's what the wall is.
It's actually his name,
Wonderwall.
It's the diffusion, man. So when it hits the back wall, oh, you know.
I don't, but yeah, you sound right.
Ben, is that just to recognise the rod?
Yeah, man.
Not the same one in my studio.
That's how you know.
Is that a bit far up here?
Yeah, don't close.
Give us a scar, Jace.
He's got it in with like a. He has a little thing on there.
His boy's got his. He's put it in so it can't be moved.
No, his boys are playing on it fine yesterday.
Nah, they're not.
Yeah, I dropped it from scaffold.
You got no one's got a fucking screwdriver on him.
Oh, sorry, dude.
What kind of gators are you? That might even work.
Oh no, lost my.
Yes, it did work.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sounds like so dense.
like close up room there as well. And you can come through it, so you've got that double doors, so you can keep playing, Jace. Push that.
Wait. What song's this?
What's the, is this
That's
recording already?
Which ones are his?
Adam, you got to guess the recording,
Yeah,
mate.
he's only got one.
Rip £75.
I think that's
Jack,
it. Mine's up there. Block of gold in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. I showed him where the bracket was on the way down there.
Looks a bit different, doesn't it?
Different way.
It's not the same.
I think my video walk like Jake Boyd.
Check board, yeah.
Was that the Walk of that one you did?
Oh, no. But,
I wanted to meet you.
Ernie Ball.
Yeah.
Regulars.
Oh, that's my bum.
Adam, you got us recording in the wrong place, man. We just spent 3 days recording elsewhere. We should have recorded here.
When they gonna hire it out, Dean?
Jace, come on, mate. Like, all you got to do is say to me, Dean, if I've got an engineer, can I come use your studio?
Dean, I'm an engineer. Can I come use your studio? I love it.
You worked that. The Linton's are doing their next album on the 14th of September in a few months, so...
Can I come and help out?
Do you need an engineer? No, they got the guy from the Prodigy guitar.
Shit.